your e-commerce store is looking like a ghost town instead of this thriving business you had envisioned it to be, I'm gonna walk you through a couple steps that you can take to fix this. And look, we're gonna start with how not to choose your niche. The first thing that I see a lot of people doing that's a huge red flag and a big mistake is they're trying to find a niche that they think is profitable and doesn't really apply to their life or their understanding. You are gonna wear every single hat in your business. You're gonna have to handle your marketing and your website design. So it's really important for you to be able to get your messaging across to your audience that you're choosing something that you understand. You don't really have to stray very far from who you are as a person when it comes to selecting your e-commerce niche. Fishing is probably a really profitable category, and I'm sure there's lots of people that make a ton of money in it. If you've never fished before, you don't really know how to put together a good message that's going to compel fishermen or fisher ladies to buy from you. You have to choose a category that you understand and enjoy. If you're just getting started in e-commerce, your very first store is gonna be like your first kid. You're practicing. You're not married to this concept for the rest of your life. So I always suggest that you start with a category that is close to home, something you understand. Maybe you're the consumer of this product already. You need to have a really good understanding of what your target audience is looking for, and if you're new to marketing, you might want to choose a category that you understand as a consumer. I've never really gone fishing, but do you know what I do every single day of my life? I put clothes on. So that's why my very first category was women's clothing. I knew that I understood what the consumer in this category needed because I was the consumer, which is a great place to start.